Hi guys, today I am going to be making vegetarian keto nachos, and you can also make these with meat, but what you're going to need first are some bell peppers. I'm using the small sweet peppers. You wash them and decore them and cut them into whatever size you feel is good, and let me just do that now. So the small ones work really well. You just have to cut them in half basically and just clean out the middle, and you put those in an oven safe baking dish. If you're making this for a bigger group of people, you could use a cookie sheet, pretty much anything you want. Now, for this recipe, I'm going to use some red onions, or you can use green onions on top without cooking them. I'm going to put these in a pot with half a package of ground soy. Now, if you were going to make these with meat, you could fry up whatever kind of meat you like in a skillet with whatever spices you enjoy. I like the taste of this as is, so I'm not going to be adding anything. I'm just going to cook the onions up. I'll put garlic and half of this package. So while that's cooking, I'm going to grate up some cheddar with habanero chilies. Never tried this cheese before, but I figured it would be a good match. So I took maybe half the peppers out. I put the ground soy and onions on top. Now I'm going to sprinkle cheese, and then I'm going to put the rest of the peppers on here and then do the same thing, so I get a layered effect. So this is what it looks like, and now I'm going to pop it into the oven on 350 for about 10 minutes. As you can see, they look pretty dang good. Now for toppings, I was going to put jalapenos, but I tried the cheese and it's muy caliente, so I don't want to add to the fire. You can have some salsa. I picked up this mango and lime, some olives, and you're gonna need an avocado if you like those. But you can put whatever you want on yours. Oh, and you gotta have me some sour cream. Well, there you have it. Looks delicious, tastes delicious. Bon appetit. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great night. Guys, I had to come back and say, que rico! Holy man, were those good!